In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Start by opening Play Store and getting free app called LaunchOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, you don't have to open it, just close Play Store and go into Settings. Now scroll to hit App Management. Select the default apps over here and then select Home app. Now click on Launcher Pro and wait for the pop-up. Hit Allow and wait. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my INFINIX. If you want to make some changes to your layout, you can always do that by going into Launcher app. If you wish to go back to your default one, just go into Devices Settings and access default apps again. Then hit Home app and click on XOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!